Hot and spicy McChicken. Ingredients. 1. Breaded chicken patties. You can make your own or buy them pre-made. 2. Lettuce leaves. 3. Burger buns. 4. Mayonnaise. 5. Ketchup. 6. Hot sauce, such as Frank's Red Hot or Tabasco. 7. Salt. 8. Vegetable oil, for frying. Supplies. 1. Large frying pan. 2. Tongs or a slotted spoon, for flipping and removing chicken patties from the pan. 3. Paper towels, for draining excess oil from chicken patties. 4. Mixing bowl. 5. Whisk or spoon, for mixing the mayo ketchup sauce. 6. Knife, for spreading the sauce and assembling the sandwich. Optional. 1. Cheese slices. 2. Bacon strips. 3. Pickles. 4. Jalapeno peppers. 5. Onion slices. Note: the quantities of the ingredients will depend on how many sandwiches you plan to make. As a general rule, you will need 1 chicken patty, 1 lettuce leaf, 1 burger bun per sandwich, and enough mayo ketchup sauce to spread on both sides of the bun. Step-by-step guide to making the perfect hot and spicy McChicken. Here is a step-by-step guide to making a delicious hot and spicy McChicken sandwich at home. Ingredients. 1. Breaded chicken patties. 2. Lettuce leaves. 3. Burger buns. 4. Mayonnaise. 5. Ketchup. 6. Hot sauce, such as Frank's Red Hot or Tabasco. 7. Salt. 8. Vegetable oil, for frying. Supplies. 1. Large frying pan. 2. Tongs or a slotted spoon. 3. Paper towels. 4. Mixing bowl. 5. Whisk or spoon. 6. Knife. Optional. 1. Cheese slices. 2. Bacon strips. 3. Pickles. 4. Jalapeno peppers. 5. Onion slices. Steps. 1. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit to keep the finished sandwiches warm while you finish cooking the rest of the chicken patties. 2. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. 2. Add a pinch of salt to taste. 2. This will be your spicy sauce. 3. Heat vegetable oil in a large frying pan over medium-high heat until hot but not smoking. 4. Place breaded chicken patties in the pan and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they are crispy and golden brown. 4. Use tongs or a slotted spoon to flip the chicken patties over. 5. Remove the chicken patties from the pan and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. 6. Cut the burger buns in half and spread the spicy sauce on both sides of the bun. 7. Place a lettuce leaf on the bottom half of the bun. Then add the chicken patty on top. 8. If desired, add cheese slices, bacon, pickles, jalapeno peppers, or onion slices on top of the chicken patty. Enjoy your homemade hot and spicy McChicken sandwich.